Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from whatever time zone you are using. This is Israel Simplified Farm. Today, I'll be doing a video on how you can fumigate your poultry houses if in case your poultry houses has been infected with whatever kind of diseases, name any kind of disease. So, some persons are really finding it very difficult to fumigate their poultry houses after their poultry houses has been infected by any kind of disease. It can be the normal bird flu, name any kind of the disease. So they do find it very difficult because they don't know how they can go about it, what they can actually do. So now I want to share this information with you guys so that it will be of help to some certain persons. You get? Now, there is something that I would love to say right now. There is no virus that can actually withstand the power of chlorine. You get? Now, I've done a video back then concerning how you can produce your own hypo, and in producing your hypo you must make use of your chlorine. Now chlorine is one of the materials being needed, or one of the items being needed in producing your hypo or your bleach. I've done a video. You can search, look for my page. You will see a video that I did on how you can produce your own hypo or your bleach. Now all what you just need to do, since you know that there is no virus that can withstand the power of chlorine, all what you just need to do is to make use of your hypo, which the chlorine is one of the items being present in your hypo. You just need to make use of hypo or your bleach in washing your pen, your poultry house, washing it very thoroughly. I mean thoroughly. When I mean thoroughly, there are some certain places in your poultry houses that maybe like places like the holes. You can see some holes in your poultry houses. You will take off everything, including the cobwebs in your poultry houses. Take them, all of them, bring them down. Use enough hypo, make use of plenty of hypo by diluting it with water, and you add your detergent. You get your detergent. When you talk of wash, you must add your detergent. So you add your hypo into the water, enough hypo. You get enough hypo with your detergent. Then you make use of your sponge. Preferably, I will even say you should make use of a hard sponge. Then you scrub the floors, scrub it well, scrub all the walls, all those holes that are in your poultry houses. Pour in those waters that are being contained of a hypo. Pour them into those holes so that it can kill whatever disease that affected your poultry houses. You get? Wash it thoroughly, and after you are done with doing this, then the next thing is for you to leave before including your drinkers and your feeders. Use the hypo. That is when you are washing the floor, the walls. Use the same hypo in washing the drinkers and the feeders. You get? Then rinse it with clean water, and after then, before you restock your bed again, you will give it at least no matter anyhow you want to be fast, at least I will even say 2 weeks upward before restocking. You get? And as you've done this once, you should be doing it. You get? Once, you get? let me say, if you've done it this month, another month again, you can still continue with this process, you get. So with this, it will help you, and this is how to fumigate your poultry houses, making use of hypo, because it contains um, chlorine, you get. And chlorine is a very deadly chemical for virus, you get. So make use of your hypo or your bleach. So this is another information I said I should share with you guys, especially those that are into poultry farming. So this is where I'll be ending today, and please don't stop commenting, liking, and sharing my videos on all the social media handles. I'm on Facebook, Israel Simplified Farm, YouTube, Israel Simplified Farm, TikTok, Israel Simplified Farm, Instagram, Israel Simplified Farm. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.